It's a new day, so that means it's time for a new look. Today's look is going to be look 6 out of 30 looks that I'm going to be doing using these Rimmel London Magnif'eyes eyeshadow palettes. Today's look is inspired by my favorite movie theater snack, and that is popcorn. Who doesn't enjoy popcorn at the movie theater or at home, So I'm going to be going for a popcorn inspired look, and I'm just trying to have a little fun with this one. So let me know, what's your favorite snack at the movie theater? You can put it down in the comments. I'd love to know. And I am going to go ahead and get started. Hey, I just finished up my movie theater snack inspired look being popcorn. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, okay? And subscribe if you want to see more content. Don't forget, in the comment section below, let me know your favorite movie theater snack. Bye, guys.